Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is A Land of Pure. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of reading skill, we are going to learn about food labels and advertisements. Before this, in English for grade 1, we have already learned how to read labels and advertisement. I hope you remember this concept. If not, you may watch this video lecture again because this is going to help us to understand. Yes, in grade 2, beta, we have learned how to read currency notes and coins. Remember? If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading material such as food labels, advertisements, coins, currency notes we have already done. So our today's lecture will be focused for food labels and advertisement. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Ahzab, verse 48. And rely upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And sufficient is Allah as disposer of affairs. Yes, my dear students, subhanallah, beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is sufficient. When we really believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then we should have a strong faith. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is gonna help us. Even if we are in a difficult situation, we should, in our heart, we should give this message to ourselves. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is with us and Allah will help us. When we think like that, Allah becomes sufficient for us. Then we don't get upset. We don't look around upon the people who will help us, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us even through the people. Okay, so beta, this beautiful verse is giving us the message, the things we don't understand. Allah makes a person, your teacher, your parents, your siblings, to help you to make understand. Okay, so today we are going to learn about a new topic. It's little, we need to learn about it. So by looking at different things, what is the SLO for today? Wherever words are written, we should read the words. We should try to read the words. Okay. So first you tell me, what are food labels? Do you know about it? What are food labels and what is advertisement? So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students. But whenever you read something, you should try to understand. Food. We know food, something we eat. And labels, the label, the wrapping paper which is given and something written to that. Right? This is food label, how it looks like. Let's find out. Food labels carry useful information to help you make informed choices about what you and your family eat and drink. So whenever you take a food in packing, on the packing paper, things are written. That is known as food label. And why it is there? To help you to tell what is packed inside it. Okay, this is how it is. And whenever we eat something which is packed, we should not open it without reading. Because being Muslim, we should find out, is it halal? One thing. Secondly, is it like within expiry date? Isn't it expired? Secondly, is it good for our health? We should avoid junk foods. Okay. So the name which is written over here and its ingredients, these things tell you what it is. So it is telling you it's cookie. Okay. Again, and I know my children, you are familiar with all these. So you read the label, one thing, you find out, is it halal, and also check its expiry date. Okay. And why things like food have labels? Why these labels are given? The labels on the front and back. Better because it's totally wrapped. So there is one side which is front side and back. On both sides something is written. And its sides of package are filled with information to inform us what the food contains and to provide guidance in making healthier selections of processed food. Okay, so this is how. There are different type of food which we can find in packing. So we should read it. We should find out what is packed inside. You see, what's written? Whole strawberries. It's organic. Okay, so beta, these things tell us the packing, what is inside, and we should make healthier, better choices. We should eat the things which are good for our health. Okay, look at this. You see, it's a bottle. It's white honey, premium quality honey, and this is its wrapper, which is like this is the label which is wrapped on the bottle, and everywhere the information is written. So you should, from today onward, because my children, you are in grade 2, there are things, there are words which you can read. You should read it because you know it's white. We have learned colors name. Okay, it's a honey. So such type of words you should try to read by yourself. And if you find a word which you cannot read, you may request your elders who are with you to help you in reading. Okay, this is how better. This will increase our vocabulary and this will make us to like learn new words, and we'll make a habit to select a food by reading. Okay, all right. So this is what the purpose of the food label is. And what is advertisement? It's a public message. So when we want to inform a lot of people at a time, we make an advertisement. Okay, it can be in a newspaper or a magazine or television and radio advertisement. So there are different types of advertisement. What's its purpose? It tells you on weekend, super sale, 50% limited time, shop now. This is how advertisement are done. Like many people, a lot of people come and take the stuff it's going on. All right. So this is how advertisement is made, and you should try to read it because all these words, my grade 2 students, you can read it now. Weekend, super sale, 50%, limited time, shop now. Right? This is how we should read and learn new words. This is also an advertisement. And better advertisement is not like, it does not have a lot of words. There are small words, there are few words, and we should try to. Now you know what it is? Potato chips. Simple. Okay, you can read it. Now, this is how we should try to read all the advertisement whenever it comes in front of us. All right. Now, teachers, you will ask the students to read the text on the given advertisement and learn how the advertisement is written. And here is activity. Teacher will divide class in groups, and teacher will provide advertisement cuttings and food labels for each group. Okay, this teacher will arrange it. Teacher will ask students to read the advertisement and food labels one by one. And teacher, I request you, because it's grade 2, so select the content accordingly for the grade 2's level. Pause the video, enjoy this activity. All of you gonna read advertisement and food labels, and when you are done with it, kindly come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, good job. Now, page number 82, all of you open it and do this question 6 and 7. Teacher, kindly make the children to read it and understand it. Pause the video, complete the task, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, it's time for your homework. That is question number 8 on page 82. What you are going to do, you will cut out different advertisements from a newspaper and magazines, wherever you find it, and paste them in your notebook. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So we have learned read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading material such as food labels and advertisement. Coins and currency notes we have already done, so we achieved our SLO to read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading materials such as food labels, advertisements, coins, currency notes, etc. Are we done with it? Yes. And better today's SLO make us to make a habit of reading. Wherever you find some word, should try to read it. Okay, this is going to help you to increase your vocabulary, and you'll learn a lot. So you can, like that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.